In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to query BigQuery datasets in Python from a Colab notebook. And this is all free, and that's why I love this Google system so much, because they've got these huge public datasets with massive amounts of data that you can learn data science with. So I'm going to run a query here on the top 10 names in the US since 1910. I could take this out into Sheets, Looker Studio for visualization, or a Python notebook, but I want to show you how I can get this out directly from a Python notebook without ever going into BigQuery. I have it installed for BigQuery up here just in case you're not using Google Colab. I'm using it from Google Drive. I'm logged into the same account, so I can run this command and just allow this notebook to use my Google credentials. And once that's done, it's going to come down as authenticated. Next, I need to set my Google project, and you can see your Google project here. You can find your projects by clicking in there. So this is my project ID. I'm just setting this project, and now I just import BigQuery, import pandas, and then set a BigQuery client to my project ID. And that's the setup. It's really as simple as that. And then there's two ways to do your query. So this is the old way, where we set a query inside a string. So the same query as I've run in BigQuery there. And then we set query job equals client.query and that query. Then we set a data frame to query underscore job dot to data frame. And then my data frame is set, and there it is. But there's a much easier way to do this, and that is with magic commands. So the magic command here is %sign BigQuery, then name your output data frame, and then you put in your project details. And by doing that, you're skipping about 3 steps here. So I'm just going to run this, and this will download our results, and then same set as a DF, and here are my results here. And just for a more complicated one, I'm doing a bigger data set here. This is downloading, coming out, and then I can use my python.info and my python.describe to get descriptive statistics on this data set within literally 30 seconds or so. And then I can just start working with that data now in Python. So I have this code out on GitHub, so you can go check it out there. Obviously go in and change that project ID, set up your sandbox, and you're ready to go with large data sets learning data science. I hope you found this video useful. Follow for more.